comrades and human rights defenders. First of all, I would like to thank you, all of you, for your solidarity and presence and participation. Friends, we are here to protest against the Pakistani brutalities. We are here to protest against the human rights violation in state of Pakistan and also in the periphery of Pakistan. We are here to ask world community to protect our peoples. We are here to ask world community to put pressure on Pakistan and ask Pakistan to repeal all the draconian laws. We are here to show the solidarity with the victim families. And on behalf of you, my party and my people, I salute Usman Kakar. He was a strong voice of the oppressed nations. But unfortunately, he was killed brutally. And now it is always the mockery of the Pakistani establishment. They always pretending that they were not involved. But all the evidences, all the footsteps actually lead us to blame, to ask Pakistani establishment. Otherwise, why they did not brought the culprits to the court of justice? Dr. Abbas, he was a Canadian citizen, Kashmiri origin. He just to visit his family to participate a funeral ceremony of his father. But he was a strong voice, so he was brutally killed. And yet, the culprits are not known. But we know who killed Dr. Abbas. We know who killed Usman Kakar. And thousands of people have been missing. Who missed them? Who enforced, disappeared them? It is the Pakistani state agency. World community, please listen us. There is no independent judiciary. All the apex court are living under harassment of the Pakistani establishment and military journal. So the apex court unable to provide any kind of justice to the victim families. All the judges are almost compromised with the brutal establishment of Pakistan. And those judges who little bit show their independence, and I ask United Nations, it is the responsibility of the United Nations Human Rights Council to protect the independent judges and lawyers, because they all are under living a threat, harassment, and Justice Faiz Isa case is very known to all. And also to Justice Siddiqui, who just addressed the bar and asked that Pakistani ISI is asking me to award sentence from those leaders of political parties. Their case should not be decided on the merit. But if you agree with us, we can promote you as the Chief Justice of High Court. But when he refused, he was dismissed. And now his appeal was on the Supreme Court. But Supreme Court judges, most of the judges, are not able to provide any kind of justice to the police justice. So it is a very alarming situation. It's very, very dangerous situation. The people who live there and raise the voice in favor of the oppressed nations, their life, their liberty is under threat. And you know, in Sindh, in Balochistan, in Gilgit-Baltistan, in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, the people cannot able to raise the voices in favor of the justice and against the injustices. The draconian laws imposed by the Pakistan to the Kashmiri people, it is known as an Interim Constitution Act 1974. In my opinion, and all those who have the knowledge about the Constitution, constitutional lawyers, constitutional experts, they declared that this is a document of slavery. That's why this document barred us to take part in the politics, to formulate, to make organizations, and we cannot take part in the election. What a shame! Country who ruled us, who subjugate us, which did not even allow us to take part in the election to get the mandate from our peoples. So all these draconian laws should be repealed, and world community should take notice of all these things. One thing more, the infrastructure of terrorism is still intact, and all the terrorists reactivated. It was the Pakistani state policy. Sometimes when they have little bit fear from the world community, they ask them to sleep, to silence. But when they feel little bit space, then all the terrorist and extremist organizations reactivated, and the threat to the civil society, human rights activists, and all secular progressive people. So carefully listen that Pakistan reactivated the terrorist infrastructures. Our land, which is known as Azad Kashmir. Azad means the free, but unfortunately we are not free. We are very much subjugated. Our land is used for terrorism. Our land is used as launching pad for the terrorist activities on the other part of the Kashmir. We are divided, unfortunately, in 1947. Forcibly, we were divided. But it is the people who wish to reunite. It is the people who retain their identity. They are not ready to compromise with their identity, their rights. So, again, I thank you, all of you, my Bangladeshi friends, our comrade and friend from Germany and Baloch. Really, I appreciate your commitment. And also, we all, whether it's Baloch are also divided in three parts. But in our opinion, in our findings, that Baloch are one. And the Balochistan is their motherland. So, Baloch have to right to stay there, and their rights should be protected. Same is the case with Pashtuns. Pashtun is also a historical nation. But unfortunately, it was the colonial power who divided them in 1947. Now some area is under Pakistani occupation, and those Pashtun who lived under Pakistan, they are facing worst kind of persecutions. So we all belongs to the oppressed nation. We should unitedly fight against draconian laws, brutal policies of the state, and justice for our own nations. I thank you very much. Again, I thank you. And the other thing, at 3:30, we have a welcome party in hotel, Royal Hotel, in front of Rousseau Hall. And after 4 o'clock, we will start our conference. So all of you invited and come to there. Thank you very much.
Terrorist, terrorist,
Pakistan terrorist.
terrorist, terrorist,
Pakistan terrorist.
terrorist, terrorist,
Pakistan terrorist.
terrorist, terrorist,
Pakistan terrorist.
terrorist, terrorist, fraud election,
No Manzoor. Yeah.
fraud election,
No Manzoor. No
fraud election,
No Manzoor. No Manzoor.
fraud election.
No Manzoor. No Manzoor.
یہ جو دہشت گردی ہے،
اس کے پیچھے وردی ہے.
یہ جو دہشت گردی ہے،
اس کے پیچھے وردی ہے.
یہ جو مارا ماری ہے،
اس کے پیچھے وردی ہے.
یہ جو دہشت گردی ہے،
اس کے پیچھے وردی ہے.
ظالمو جواب دو،
خون کا حساب دو.
ظالمو جواب دو،
خون کا حساب دو.
ظالمو جواب دو.
خون کا حساب دو.
ٹیررسٹ، ٹیررسٹ.
Pakistan terrorist. Thank you, friends, for your participation, for your contribution, for your support. Now we will move to Royal Hotel at 3:30. We have